Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Insight and welcome to the future of luxury electric vehicles. This is the 2025 Tesla Model S. A masterpiece of engineering and design. Let's dive in. The Model S exudes a timeless elegance combined with cutting-edge technology. The sleek, aerodynamic profile is not just about looks, it contributes to exceptional efficiency. Notice the subtle curves and the minimalist approach. Tesla has once again redefined luxury automotive design. Step inside, and you're greeted by a world of innovation. The minimalist cabin is dominated by the massive central touchscreen. It's the command center for everything from climate control to entertainment. The use of premium materials and impeccable craftsmanship is evident everywhere you look. Legroom is abundant, even for taller passengers. But the Model S isn't just about luxury and style. It's a performance powerhouse. With estimated horsepower and estimated torque, it rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in estimated seconds. The dual-motor setup delivers incredible acceleration and handling. Yet, it's not just about straight-line speed. The Model S corners like a sports car, thanks to its advanced suspension and low center of gravity. Let's talk tech. Tesla's autopilot system has been enhanced, offering even more advanced driver assistance features. Imagine cruising on the highway with minimal input. The massive touchscreen is your gateway to a world of entertainment, with over-the-air updates ensuring you always have the latest features. And charging is a breeze with Tesla's extensive supercharger network. Let's appreciate some of the finer details. The specific design element, e.g., ambient lighting, steering wheel, adds a touch of sophistication. The attention to detail is impeccable, from the another design element to the third design element. It's clear that Tesla has spared no expense in creating a truly exceptional vehicle. The 2025 Tesla Model S is more than just a car, it's a statement. A statement of luxury, performance, and innovation. It's a vehicle that redefines the driving experience.